Welcome back to another video.
Welcome.
Today is a special one for me.
I was going to say why, but now I know why.
Because Keely's making buns and I'm eating buns, and that's special.
I'm actually making brownies, get it right. Anyway, so last night we made curry and I had chickpeas in it, so I had drained out the chickpea water called aquafaba. So I've decided, saying I've got some, I'm going to do some baking. That is like fake egg type stuff for non-vegans out there. So I'm going to get stuck into trying to make some brownies. I have no idea how this is going to work in the Omni. I've never tried making brownies in it before. So fingers crossed, let's have a go. Philly, he's going to get to work back there editing another video.
As always, it's my life
And then
now.
I will just serve him.
That sounds good to me.
That's good.
Let's go.
Baby. Okay, as you can see, I have made the like general mix thing, so I'm going to get the Omnia Sweden on now, and while that's starting to heat up, I am going to see if we have any nuts and the last couple of squares of chocolate, crumple that up into it and just give it a bit of texture. But sweet mercy, that looks so good. Oh, oops. Disaster from the get-go. Okay, covered in chocolate. I'm not sure if baking paper was a good idea, but let's just put it on and see how it goes. I tell you what, this batter tastes divine. So I'm not sure whether it's worse to be overcooked or undercooked. Like, they look like they're cooking, but I'm also afraid to take them out when they're not cooked, but I don't want to burn them. Anyway, they smell incredible. Like thick, sweet, chocolatey, coconutty, like you can feel it, like it just smells so luxurious. So let's open it up and see what it's like. OMG! Okay, they were soft to the touch. I really hope I haven't messed them up by poking them and opening that up too long. That's the issue with the Omnia Sweden, is when you open it, you let out all the heat, so but you can't check without opening it, do you know what I mean? Fingers crossed, 5 more minutes and I don't cremate the bottom, but they look divine. Time's coming. I didn't know if baking paper would be a good idea, but look how well it worked. This is the cleanest looking Omnia Sweden ever. Just a couple of little like chocolate crumbs. Oh my word, that was a nut. Yum.
Taste test. Let me say.
Okay. Legit, be completely honest.
Completely honest.
Yeah, like
Well,
no holes
we
barred.
do looks and taste and sound. Yeah, the sound like a 10 out of 10 to me.
Well, I think they look incredible. They've got the flaky top that you expect from a brownie.
So taste test.
Do flavour, then do texture.
Oh, flavor's great. That flavor's just awesome.
The flavour's perfect.
That's a winner in my book. 10 out of 10 flavor.
If anything, a little
Texture's not bad, but
Okay.
it's just like a little bit dry.
That's fair enough. And I was going to say a little sprinkle of salt. Imagine if you got a wee salty hit on the top, like crackle salt. That would make it perfecto.
Like, it looks so good. Here's just a little chunk.
Luke's is, for making it in the Omnia Sweden, I'd say Luke's are solid. Like, they're right up there, like 9.5. I don't think you can really get it looking much better in the Omnia, to be honest.
I'm saying that's a winner. Well done, you. Well done. Definitely. I would say I would give them an 8.
Overall?
Yeah.
Aww, thanks. Yeah, because I think the texture's probably like, 7.5, but then the flavour and the looks bump that up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching us cook and eat brownies.
Yeah, the rain's back on again because Croatia's decided it hates us trying to do daily videos.
I don't care anymore as long as there's brownies.
We're gonna eat these, have ourselves a little coffee, just a bit of a chill. What that really means is now we're gonna go and edit this video because we're crazy.
We love you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.